Happy morning, children. In today's class, we are going to the topic of Grade 7 Mathematics NCERT syllabus, Chapter 12 Algebraic Expressions. In before classes in last year, 6th standard itself, we studied about some relations about in expressions, algebraic expressions. Now, just we have to recall again. Okay. In that, we have to note it down some important notes. Expressions with variables, terms, factors of a term, coefficients, constants, types of terms, like and unlike terms. Okay. First we are going to see expressions and variables. 5. Here we are having the three terms. 5x plus y, z, 7z plus 3, 4xy plus 3z. Okay, here we are having the terms. 1, 2, 3. Three terms here. First we have to understood what is the algebraic expressions. Okay, first in that we have to first analyze what is the variables. In that we have to analyze what is the variables. Alphabets from A to Z, A, B, C, etc. up to Z are called as variables. Okay, in alphabets from A up to Z, what we are having the alphabets that we are calling as a variables. Okay, now we come to these terms. Here we can take 5x plus y. In this 5x plus y, here we can say that here x and y we are having the variables. In this term we are having the variables of x and y. Then come to the second term, 7z plus 3. Here we are having the variable of z. Come to the term 3. Here we are having the variables of x, y and z. Okay. Then now we have to understand what is the coefficients. Okay. Why we are writing the numbers before of variables and what is the coefficients. The number which are combining with the variables, that is called as a coefficients. Okay. First we can consider the first term 5x plus y. In this term with variable x, we are having the number 5. We are having the number means in the alphabetic expression of multiplication. 5 into x, we can say this 5 into x, multiplying with of x, 5x. So here 5 is the coefficient of x. Okay, 5 is the coefficient of x. Same that in this term 7z plus 3, here 7 into z, we are having the number 7 with multiplying of variable of z. Okay, 7 is called as a coefficient. And here 4 into xy plus 3 into z. 4 into xy. So 4 is the coefficient of xy and 3 is the coefficient of z. Okay, before that with variable, before what we are having the number, that is called coefficient. Same that we have to understand the number in this algebraic expressions, the number which one is not combining with any variables. Like this 3 standing alone, the number without not having any variables standing alone, that number is called as a constant. That number is called as a constant. So in this 7 is the plus 3, 3 is the constant and 7 is the coefficient and z is the variable. Okay. And here we can say that 5x plus y. Here we are having the value of x equal to 5. Same that here we are having only the single y. Here we are having the single y. Means here we can understood before that one is consider. Before that we have to consider, with that we are having the multiplying of 1. With y we are having the number 1. We have to consider like that. Okay, 1 is mandatory is there. Okay, simply we are having any variable means in before that we are having the multiplication of 1. Okay, like that we have to consider. So the terms which are combining variables and coefficients are called as algebraic expression. And constants. Constants means the number standing separately without any variables, that is called as constant. That is called as constant. Now we can see this picture diagram for analyzing the terms. Here we are having the expression. This is called as a algebraic expression which are combining with number and variables. So we are calling this is as the algebraic expression. Then from this in this algebraic expression, we come to know here is the one term and here is the one term. So here we are having the two terms. So we can write here is the one term and here is the one term. We are separating the terms in the expressions. Then this term is, in this term we are have the factors. In this term we are have the factors. What is the factors means? 4. In this term we are having the combining of 4. This x power square we can write as multiplying of x into x. So we are here we are writing as a separately, x into x we are writing as separately. So 4 into x and x, this is the factors of this term. 4x squared. So we can here write as 4 into x into x. So this is called as a factors. And in this term, the next term we are coming minus 3 into xy. In this term we can write separately minus 3x and y. So minus 3x and y are the factors of minus 3xy. In example sum 1, identify in the following expression terms which are not constants, give their numerical coefficients. xy plus 4, minus 13 minus y square, 13 minus y plus 5y square, 4p square q minus 3p square plus 5. Here we are writing the solutions. How we can write the solutions means they are asking which one is or not, which are not constants, and give their numerical coefficients. Okay, so we have to put the column. For that we have to put the column. First column is serial number and second column is expression. Then third column is terms which is not a constant, and fourth column is numerical coefficient. Okay, so in this expression column we are writing all the expressions 1, 2, 3 and 4 expressions we are having here. So we are writing one by one. Okay, then first we are going to complete the first one. Terms which is not a constant. In this term, here 4 is the constant, but here they are asking only the not a constant. Okay, so we have to write that xy in this column. Okay, this is not a constant, so we have to write here xy. Then numerical coefficient means here we can write with that variable we are having the numerical coefficient of 1. So we are writing that one here. Then next expression 13 minus of y square. Here we are writing that here 13 is the constant, so we should not write there here. So we have to write only the minus y square. Minus y squared, the power which we are having the term by 2 we have to call as a squared. Okay, the power we are having number 2 means we have to call that squared. What is the meaning of that? Means y into y here we are having. So y into y we are writing as a y power squared. Then the numerical coefficient of y squared is here. What I said before, variable we are not having any number means that there is a multiplying of 1 is constant. I said before itself. So here we have to consider that is a minus 1. Before of y we are having a minus 1. So we are writing that coefficient here. So in this term 13 is the constant and other variables minus y, 5y square is the coefficients without the constant. Okay, and the numerical coefficient is for minus y we know already before 1 is constant, so minus 1 we have to write here, and for y squared we are having the number of 5. Then the next expression 4p squared q and 3pq square. We are having the two terms here. And what are the numerical coefficient? Means 4 is the first term coefficient and minus 3 is the second term here. So we can write 4 and minus 3. We can write 4 and minus 3. I think children, now you understand what are the important topics in algebraic expressions and what is about variables and what is about algebraic expression, constant, and the expression and the expression terms, how it will come, and in that expression how we can split the terms, and in that terms how we can split the factors. From these above we can able to write now what are the numerical coefficient and what are the coefficient terms and what are the constant. I think you understand all those things very well. Okay children, thank you.